I think you use useless draft paper to make a pistol that can still be thrown after being beaten. Use the paper to roll out 2 short thin paper sticks, and the thick one makes a long hole below. The thin stick is stuck in the bottom, and the thin stick is inserted into the thick stick. The paper strip is pulled out of the long hole, roll in the thin stick and flatten it into paper strips. Stick the 2 strips together, and another thin stick, making a square hole below the cardboard stick and stick it inside. This is the trigger. Raise it a little higher, in the trigger bucket at it, install it, and try to tear it and throw the shell. Glue thick paper as the handle and paste it with paper to decorate it. So tube stuck on it is useful to cling it. Roll a thin paper stick, buckle the rubber band at one end, fix it with tape, load it into the launch tube, and put the rubber band. The bullet consists of a shell and a core. When loading the bullet, you can see that the shell is relatively thick. It can be fired after buckle. When you open it, it will automatically throw the shell out. It is so fun to fire and throw the shell.